This is an Alberta emergency alert. Our CMPK division has issued an Amber Alert. This alert is in effect for Athabasca County number 12, Barhead County number 11, Big Lakes, Clear Hills number 21, Fairview number 136, Grande Prairie County number 1, Greenview number 16, Lac St. Anne County, Lesser Slave River number 124, Mackenzie number 23, Northern Lights number 22, Northern Sunrise County, Opportunity number 17, Parkland County, Peace number 135, Smoky Lake County, Grande Prairie. RCMP have issued an Amber Alert for the abduction of Isabella Liu, a 2-month-old female infant, who was taken from the area of 10114 105 Avenue, Grande Prairie today, December 10th. Around 10:20 a.m. Isabella is described as 2-month-old, white female infant, last seen wearing orange or pink pajamas, and was wrapped in a green blanket. Isabella was abducted by her mother, Samantha Curry, age 20, described as a white female, 5 foot 5 inches tall, 150 pounds, shoulder-length brown hair, and was last seen wearing black pajama pants, a red top, and a red Santa hat, and last seen on foot in the area of 105 Avenue. Police are concerned for the safety of Isabella. Do not approach the suspect. Please contact the Grande Prairie RCMP at 780-830-5700 or your local police if you have any information. For details visit www.emergencyalert.alberta.ca or stay tuned to local media.